For our main floor TV, we have 2 remote controls for you to use. The first one, the large black one, will get the power onto the TV, and this controls your volume as well. That's all we usually use this TV for. The next thing you need to do...
remote.
Sorry, remote. Thanks, Ma. The next thing you need to do is use the silver remote, and it's going to control this Apple TV box right here. You're going to press the center button, and you'll see a light illuminate on the box like this. It takes a couple minutes, no, seconds, for the Apple TV and the TV to connect, as they've done here. And from there, you've got some choices. You have access to Netflix, and to select using the silver remote, you press the center button. Also, you have access to Prime Video, again, using the center button to select. And our Apple TV as well. There is no cable television on the main floor. There we go. It's coming. Also, there is access to our music, should you wish, and a few other platforms for you. To turn the TV off, simply use the red power button.